All right, so to wrap up our transitives class 1 present tense, looking back to the examples that we started with, I think these are sentences that you can go ahead and learn. You can practice them with your tutor. I would encourage you to really use them and try to be creative. So not just memorizing these sentences, but using them as a starting point to talk about different persons. So what I mean is, for instance, now that you know all the different conjugations for I make, you make, he or she makes, you can essentially make 6 different sentences just knowing ras. Asking what is he or she making, what are they making. You can do a similar thing for, since you now know the dative case for sachmeli for food, it's sachmels, so you can ask, or you can say so and so, I'm making food, or you're making food, they are making food. That's another 6 sentences you can say. So just based off those few words, you can make 12 sentences. You do a similar thing for what is a certain person eating. You could say, instead of, like the example here, instead of saying or I'm eating meat, you could say I'm eating a lot, or we're eating a lot. Okay, so I would encourage you to take a look back at the vocabulary words that we covered, as well as the sentences. Try to be creative, practice them with someone. A Georgian tutor would be ideal, and I think that will really help with retaining. So, all right, so that wraps up this segment.